What's up? How you doing? I'm in Dubai and I've just finished a 7-hour personal branding workshop. Now, some of you might be thinking that because I'm a professor and a branding consultant, that my job is to provide answers. Actually, what I think is most of my job is about my ability to question. So, I don't have the answers to everything, but questioning is really important because it helps you to learn, understand, and even negotiate, rebut, and debate. As a researcher, I have to question theories and ask questions of current knowledge. I have to create interview questions and questionnaires. I have to write university assessments and exam questions. As a consultant, I have to question norms and practices. But whether I'm interviewing or being interviewed, questioning is really important. The success of my following years depends on my ability to ask the right questions. And for my own personal career development, finding the right people and asking them the right questions is also vital. And I want to focus on that bit. But before we do, let's look at some basic framing principles. Before, now, or the future. Here, there, or everywhere. For how long? Some of the time or all of the time? And when doesn't it happen? Know as much as you can about the person that you're posing a question to. So that also means asking a question which is appropriate to that person and their level. Limit your asks. That inevitably means you need to expand your network. Don't pump one person because you could skew your understanding, or even worse, you might just wear out goodwill. Be mindful of people's time. Be clear, specific, and to the point. But don't be so specific that it becomes complicated and long-winded. Oh, I want to do some, qualitative research, inductive, deductive, anti-positivist, structural equation modeling type methodology, but I don't know what my research philosophy is. But anyway, what I was thinking is, how do consumers behave? Do they go to the shops or do they prefer to shop online? And if they shop online, is it because they want to make a purchase, or are they just looking for things? And I just wondered what your thoughts were. Like, how would you do it? Have you got a good research question? How does that work? Don't ask a sequence of questions all in one go. Should I be a fireman or an academic, or I was thinking of maybe being a performer, but I'm not sure. Like, what would you say? Like, actually farming. I hear veganism's really big at the moment. What do you think? Like, I like oat milk, and I was thinking that I could turn that into a business. I could maybe vlog about it. So I could be like a kind of farmer, academic, fireman, performer. Try and make your questions open-ended and don't presuppose answers, and definitely do not finish people's sentences for them. I know what you're going to say. So if I said to you, that's a really good brand, you'd probably agree with me, wouldn't you, right? You would, wouldn't you? You would, wouldn't you? Yeah? Yeah? Be open to the response and don't fight it. And be grateful. ありがとうございます جزاك. Cheers, bruv. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, that's all I wanted to say for today. So, peace and love.